Hello kids, welcome to the maths class. Today's topic is story sums of division. The main objective of today's learning is to understand how to do the story sums of division. What is division? Division means to split into equal parts. These are the parts of a division that we have learned in our previous video: dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. Let's understand how to do story sums of division. This is Amit. Amit loves to read books. He reads 306 pages of his book in 3 days. Let us find out how many pages does he read daily. Let us read the story one more time. Amit reads 306 pages of his book in 3 days. How many pages does he read daily? Kids, before starting with the story sums, we must remember in story sums we look for two things. That is, what is the information given to us and what we have to find out from that given information. So, what is the information given to us? Amit reads 306 pages of his book in 3 days. And what we have to find out from that given information? How many pages does he read daily? Kids, whenever more is given to us and we have to find less of something, we will do the sum of division. Before starting with the sum, let us make columns which will help us to write the statements. In the left column, we will write days, and in the right side, we will write pages. So, in 3 days, he reads 306 pages. And to find out how many pages does he read in one day, we have to do the sum of division. So, first statement will be if number of pages Amit reads in 3 days is equal to 306, then number of pages he reads in one day is equal to question mark less divide. We have to divide 306 by 3. 3 is the divisor, so we will write the table of 3. So, in this way, we will do the sum of division. After doing the division, we come to know that 102 is the quotient. That means in one day, he reads 102 pages. Let us take one more example. Sumit went to the market to buy pens. He bought 15 pens for rupees 450. What is the cost of each pen? Let us read the story again. Sumit bought 15 pens for rupees 450. Find the cost of each pen. So, what is the information given to us? Sumit bought 15 pens for rupees 450. What we have to find out? Cost of each pen. Kids, whenever more is given to us and we have to find out less of something, we will do the sum of division. Now, let us solve the sum on our copy. Let us first make the column so that it is easier for us to write the statements. Using a scale, we will make the column. In the left side, we will write pens, and right side we will write cost. So, in the given information, what is written? The cost of 15 pens. So, under pens, we will write 15. And what is the cost of 15 pence? That is rupees 450. Now, what we have to find out? The cost of 1 pen. So, under pence, we will write down 1. We still don't know what is the cost of 1 pen. So, we will put question mark, less, and we have to do the sum of division. So, we will give the sign of division. Now, let us start writing the statements. According to the first given information, cost of 15 pence is rupees 450. So, let us write if the cost of 15 pence is equal to rupees 450, then cost of 1 pen is equal to question mark, less, divide. See kids, I have put all the equal to signs in the same line. You will also put in the same way. Now, find out the cost of each pen, that is 1 pen. We have to divide rupees 450 by 15. So, we will set the sum in this way. 450 divided by 15. Now, 15 is the divisor. So, we will write the table of 15 in this way. Now, let us start dividing. So, we will compare the leftmost digit with the divisor. So, 4 is less than 15. So, we cannot divide 4 by 15. So, what we will do? We will take 5 along with 4. So, let us see now. 45 is greater than 15. That means we can divide 45 by 15. So, let us see where does 45 comes in the table of 15. 45 is here. 15, 3s are 45. So, let us underline 3 and circle 45. As I have told you earlier also, underline digit will go up and circle digit will come down. So, it is 15, 3s are 45. So, 15, 3 we will write just above 5 and 45 we will write just below 45 itself. Now, we have to subtract it. So, we will put the minus sign and we will draw a line. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. Now, let us bring the next digit down, that is 0. Now, the number is 0. Does 0 come in the table of 15? 15 zeros are 0. Let us underline and circle. Now, underline digit 0 will go up just above 0 and circle digit 0 will come down. Now, let us minus. 0 minus 0 is 0 itself. Now, there is no more digit to bring down. That means our division is over. Now, which is the quotient? 30 is the quotient. That means 30 is the answer. That means the cost of 1 pen is rupees 30. Let us write answer is equal to rupees 30. Now, let's recall what we have learned today. Before starting the sum, we must read the story carefully and look for what is the information given to us and what we have to find out. Step 2 is to make column in this way, which will help us to write the statements. Step 3 is to write the statements accordingly. When you are writing the statements, remember equal to signs should be in the same line. Step 4 is to do the sum of division, and step 5 is to write the answer at the end. I hope kids you have understood how to do the story sums of division. Now complete the pages that has been given to you in your SNAP homework. Thank you.